Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wa sallallahu ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. There have been a lot of requests to do Surah Ya Seen. So inshallah we will begin Surah Ya Seen in just a few ayahs and add a new playlist inshallah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. We are here. So these letters don't have a fatha or a kasra, and they're from special letters in the Quran that when they're joined together, you just say the name of the letter, right? So that's a ya, and then that's a seen. So you would read it as Yasin, Yasin. There's the extension of the seen. The next ayah. So, أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ياسين. Waw, fatha wa, hamzatul wasl and lam. This drops, becomes wal. There's a sukoon. Wal. Qur, qaf, ra, qu, r. This one has a sukoon over the ra, so you say wal qur, qur'ani, wal qur'anil, nil, because the kasra there joins with alif lam here, nil. Many previous lessons, of course, the hamzatul wasl drops. This lam has a sukoon, so it becomes nil. You see, nil. Qur'anil Hakim. Hakim. What's going on with the ya there? The ya has a sukoon, not written. Al Hakim. So Yasin wal Qur'anil Hakim. In. This is a hamza, kasra, e, noon with a shadda, innaka, lam fatha, la, mi, na, la, minal, hamzatul wasl drops. You would just read the lam part. Innaka la minal, nal, mursaleen. Nil, so minal, nal, mursaleen. Because the ya here, you just extend the lam a little bit. Mursaleen. Ala siratim, sira, sad, kasra, sira. There's an extension of the ra, so siratim. This tin, it's actually tin, but you're going to mix the noon, the in sound with the meme. So it becomes siratim, preparing to hit the meme here. So siratim siratim mustaqim. That's a sin, not a sad. So mustaqim. Siratim mustaqim. So going back to what did we read? Ala siratim mustaqim. We're going to do one more ayah. Tan, noon, sukoon, that's a ta. Tanzila, tanzilal, lal. This hamzatul wasl drops. We've done a lot of these, so inshallah by now you know previous lessons of Baqarah. This drops. Tanzilal azizi. This ayn. Tanzilal azizi. Azizi. And then that za here mixes in with the Alif, Lam, Ra is huruf shamsiyah. You drop this and go straight to the Ra. That's why we have a shadda here. تنزيل العزيز الرحيم. عزيز الرحيم. تنزيل العزيز الرحيم. Jazakumullah khair for watching. May Allah bless you. Assalamu alaikum.